Hey there, third graders. This video shows you how to use Flipgrid. So when you click on the Flipgrid link that you'll have in your schedule, it'll take you to a login page. You will click Join with Google, and you will choose your school email. Then it will take you to the page where you will record your video. Your teacher will put some directions here, and they might have a video that you need to watch first. So in this one, it says to watch the video for an example. So I would click play and watch that video. Then you are ready to record your video. You'll go down to the big camera sign and click record a response. It says I have 2 minutes to record my video, so this is a shorter one. You should have whatever you need to present prepared. When you're ready, I'll click off of that. There I am. And when I'm ready, I'll click the record button. I will record my video, blah, 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 whatever you need to say. And when you are done, or you need to pause, you can do pause. If you want to keep going, you can hit that again. If you need to start over, you see this right here, redo. That will delete it and you can do it again. Then I'll go to next. I will record my video, blah, blah, blah. You can check your video and see if you like it. If you want to add more, you can do it here. If you're happy with it, click next again. And now you get to take your selfie so people know who made that video. So take a selfie, whatever you want. Now, if your teacher says that you can do effects, you might want to put like a filter on there. Maybe you don't want people to really see it's you. I really like that rainbow one. I think I'll do that, and then people can still see that it's Miss Courtney. I'll go to next, and my video is uploading. When I'm done, I'll make sure that it says my name. Make sure that you have your name, or if you won't get the work counted. And if you want to add anything else. This is about my 2 truths and a lie, so maybe I want to write that. Or maybe I want to say guess which is the lie. And then I will click submit. And there it is. I can complete. And then I will see my other friends and I can respond to them. So let me show you how to respond. Let's pretend like I am another student and I'm going to respond to Courtney's video. I'll watch their video and then record a response, and you go through the same process. You'll record a response to them. Hi, Courtney, I think that your lie is about blah, 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 or whatever your response needs to be about that your teacher tells you. And you'll do the same process, okay? And that's how you use Flipgrid.